Well-known CEOs say that you don't need to learn coding.
It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program.
People are panicking, but it's been 2 years since GPT was released and IT industry is still alive and still growing. But saying that AI won't change IT industry is kind of stupid. So, how AI gonna affect web development industry in course of 5 to 10 years, and what should you learn now not to be left behind?
Hey, my name is Andrew. I'm senior full stack developer, but just 4 years ago I was a barista in a coffee shop, and since then I became a huge fan of coffee. So let's discuss AI and make some good coffee. Let's begin.
Okay, while I'm making coffee, first of all, let's talk about the current state of web development and how AI affected it. And I'm gonna share my perspective on it as a person who still works as a developer full-time in a multi-million-dollar company. And I would like to start with this great phrase: everyone has a camera on their phone, not everyone is a photographer. Same thing with AI right now. Everyone has access to the AI, but only developers who actually know how to code can create something complex with it. And if I'm gonna give AI to my girlfriend, she won't be able to build anything complex. And right now we still create complex apps with code. You can use no-code tools like Bubble or website builders like Webflow to build stuff. But if you want to build something customized, complex and scalable, it's only possible with code. Are developers using AI? Most of them do. I use it myself. It's a nice tool that just helps you to solve some of the problems faster, but it hasn't fundamentally changed the way developers work. It helps to speed things up sometimes, but sometimes it produces very shitty code and tons of mistakes, and it's just faster to write the code that you need yourself. So, to sum up, AI is just a nice tool that slightly helps, but you still have to know a lot to build real-world apps.
Alright, we got some nice coffee, so let's go for a walk.
Oh, you're still here. So, what to expect 5 to 10 years from now with AI in web development? Well, I wish I knew the future. If yes, I could have bought Bitcoin in 2013. But history shows that the progress of the technologies is unpredictable. 50 years ago, people thought that we'll have flying cars and Mars and moon bases. But we don't have them right now. But we have internet, AI, microprocessors, flying drones that you can control from your phone. So technologies are always progressing, but not always the way we expect them to progress. And I don't know how websites and web applications will be created in 10 years. Are we still gonna use React, or 90% of the job will be done by AI? But I'm 100% sure that there will be a need for a person who knows how to use that AI to create websites. Maybe like the whole website will be created by AI in like 5 minutes, but there's still gonna be a need for a person who can set up this AI, make it work properly, adjust it, make the application scalable, fix it, change it. Everyone was thinking that invention of computers and calculators will make physics and mathematicians obsolete, but with usage of computers, they're able to do their calculations faster, better, and more efficient. Moreover, right now we still create complex web applications with code, so it's worth learning it right now. It takes 6 to 12 months to learn web development, and if you're gonna start right now, probably when you're gonna finish learning, we're still gonna be building apps in the same way as we're building them right now, because ChatGPT was released 2 years ago, and we still build applications in the same way. Technologies, of course, are updating, but React is still super relevant, JavaScript is still relevant, TypeScript is still relevant, Node.js is still relevant. And if the approach that we are taking build applications will change in 3, 5, 10 years, you can always adapt. Tesla's autopilot was invented like years ago, but regulations are not allowing to use it in Europe. So if you have Tesla in Europe, you can't still fully use their autopilot. So yes, technologies are changing the world, but those changes are happening slow enough so everyone who wants can adapt. And even if you're gonna use only AI for all of the coding stuff, your coding experience and knowledge will still be relevant and will still make you credible, will give you better salaries, because if you're the person who have been building applications for like 5 years or helped to create a couple of startups that scale to millions of dollars, every business owner would like to have you in their team, because your knowledge, your skills and your experience, that's what people are ready to pay for. No matter what tools you use, everybody cares only about the end result, and this experience will help you to have end result better than the person who just started out. Or maybe AI will slow down and classic coding as it's right now will be relevant for more than 20 years. Moreover, if humans will be capable of creating AI that can fully replace a developer, we will be capable of creating AI that can replace basically anyone. So almost any job that is relevant right now is kind of in danger if you apply that mindset. But I believe that if you're gonna start learning coding right now and you're gonna be adapting with time, you'll always find your place in this industry. So if you're looking for excuse not to learn and be lazy, well, you can use AI as your excuse. But if you're actually caring about like your future, your career, and want to start out in IT industry, start right now and keep working hard until you're gonna get it. In 6 to 12 months from now, the industry won't change that significantly, so everything that you're learning right now will be still relevant.
So, what exactly should you do right now not to be replaced by AI and be able to find a job in like 6 to 12 months from now? If you actually love coding and you love creating stuff, building applications from zero, just learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. And this is still the most popular way to build modern web applications. If you have a little bit more time and ready to work super hard, you can also learn Node.js to be able to build like backend for your applications.
And if you really want to spice things up, you can also learn how to integrate AI into your web applications. For example, how to install an AI chatbot or how to integrate OpenAI API into your application. Just think how many small businesses still don't know what is AI, how it works, how to use ChatGPT. And if you're gonna know how to build cool web applications and also integrate AI into those applications, you will be super valuable specialist. This is just the random example, but with both AI skills and coding skills, you can build like application for pizza restaurant. And this restaurant gonna have fully functional, nice web application and AI integration that automatically sends relevant emails, offers proper food based on your interests, or even crafts the pizza for you. Imagine like AI that crafts the best pizza based on a couple of questions that you're answering. And to be honest, it's kind of unbelievable that with just knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React, you can build almost anything and even start your own business as a developer. By the way, in the video that you'll see somewhere here, I broke down the exact framework I used to build my business as a developer to make some extra side income. See you there.